be shooting shit, we chopping boys. When we outside, you hear the chopper noise. These real things, they ain't no toys. Kids go inside, they can't stand the noise. SK's got a loud voice. You fucked up, made a wrong choice. Now you in the field, big boy. Bad dreams for the little boys. Little homie on the older shit. I don't take your pussy, I don't owe you shit. I can show you how to whip a brick. Just grab it.
What up, fam? It's your boy Thuggish G35. Bam, back in the hunt with another video. We doing it in the garage yet again today. Yes, y'all, the G35 is still down. I haven't drove this car in over a month. Well, it's going on a month in a couple of days. I'm gonna drop the ECU in this bitch today. I know I didn't film me taking it out, but I guess I'll show you part of the process of me putting this bitch back in my dashboard. As y'all can see, she's a little disassembled right now. But, yeah. After I drop that motherfucker in, excuse my ashy ass lips, after I drop that motherfucker in, I should be headed to the shop to get it reprogrammed. Cause I don't know how to reprogram the ECU. And if I don't reprogram the ECU, the car won't start. So that being said, enough talk, let me get to this work.
Wake up every day, bitch, we getting paid. All we do is judge, like we from the bay. Bitch, I'm getting racks. All we do is smoke, lemon, lime, and neck. Watch me. See, I was swerving, twisting raw. Shit, there go the law. Shit, what you do? I hit a corner, got too much to risk it all. Bumping 40, that slap hard. Do say smooth when alcohol. Strap on my lap, that's just my bodyguard. Bank account be counting checks. Call that bitch collect every time a nigga hello. Just mean I'm getting rich. This beat need 2 chains, but I'm 1 chain swinging. Every chick I get be thick and homies money motivated. Living larger than I show. Easy way to keep you riches. Stay low while I'm getting high. I was born in the trenches, baby, y'all on the sack. Know the cost just like a limo. 100s, 50s, 20s, 10s. Came from pennies, dimes, and
Well, that's that for now. I am not going to attempt to start this car because I already know it's going to need reprogramming and everything, since I have no idea the condition, the infinity that ECU came out of. So, yeah, I tried downloading some reprogramming software for the ECU, but I don't think I trust that. So I'm going to leave the reprogramming to the pros. I will pick this one up in a future video because, of course, I'm going to have to visit my home away from home, which is a little further now since I moved. So I'm going to have to get it towed over there. So the ECU's in, but she's still down. There's just a little update on the G35, and I'll holler.